In this video, I'm about to show you how to buy Windows 11 product keys from Microsoft Online. First, go to the official Microsoft website, then navigate to the Windows 11 section where you can find the option to purchase a product key. Once you're there, select the edition of Windows 11 you need, whether it's Home or Pro. Add it to your chart and proceed to checkout. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have one yet. After entering your payment details, complete the transaction. Once your purchase is successful, you'll receive the product key. You can enter this key to activate your Windows 11 on your device. Ensure your system meets the required specifications for installation, which you can check at Microsoft's official requirements page. Windows 11 brings a fresh, user-friendly experience with an improved design, biometric logins, encrypted authentications, and enhanced antivirus protection to keep you safe from cyber threats. With features like snap layouts, widgets, and seamless redocking, you can optimize your workspace. Stay connected with the Microsoft Teams integrated right into the taskbar, and enjoy gaming with DirectX 12 Ultimate. Delivering graphics that rival reality. However, if your device doesn't meet the system requirements for Windows 11, you won't be able to install it. Be sure to verify your system specifications before purchasing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.